Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with managing purchases or applying discounts in QuickBooks, this video is going to clear everything up for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an invoice, add your products or services, and apply discounts the right way in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Let's jump straight in. First, sign into QuickBooks Online. Head over to the QuickBooks homepage and click the Sign In button. If you're new, make sure you're choosing QuickBooks Online, not the desktop version. Enter your username and password, hit Continue, and now you're inside your dashboard. Next, let's create a new invoice, which is where you'll manage both purchases and discounts. From your dashboard, look at the navigation toolbar and click the New button. From the drop-down, select Invoice. Think of this as your request for payment that also allows you to include any discounts you want to offer. Now add your customer details. Click the customer field and choose an existing customer from your list or create a new one if needed. Double check that the customer's information is correct. It saves a lot of trouble later. Once that's set, it's time to add your products or services. In the product or service section, type in what you're selling. This could be a physical item, a digital service, or even billable time. QuickBooks will pull in the price and description if it's already saved, but you can edit anything right here. Always make sure the price and description are accurate before moving forward. Now for the best part, applying discounts. Scroll down to the discount section in your invoice. You'll see options to add either a flat amount or a percentage. For example, if you're offering a 10% loyalty discount or maybe a $50 flat discount for a special deal, you can enter it right here. QuickBooks will automatically recalculate the totals, so both you and your customer see exactly what's being deducted. This not only looks professional, but also keeps everything crystal clear for your records. Once you're happy with the invoice, click Save and Send. This saves the invoice to your QuickBooks account and sends it directly to your customer via email. They'll get a clean, professional invoice showing the purchase details and the applied discount. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase invoice and applied discounts in QuickBooks Online. With this process, you can keep your business transactions professional, transparent, and fully up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with others who use QuickBooks. And let me know in the comments, do you usually give percentage-based discounts or flat rate ones? I'd love to hear how you're using this feature in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.